I'm Father Robert Ballasare, the Digital Jesuit, and what a crazy CES we just had. Right in the middle of a pandemic, we had color-changing cars, geeks trying to date the Terminator, life-changing biotech, a bit of possible snake oil, tank tech, no, seriously, look it up, and plenty of blinky, blinky, blinky. And you know I love me some blinky. Of course, my mom and dad live in Vegas, so the real reason I travel thousands of miles for Vegas shows is to spend some time with my folks. You know, getting some sweet, emotional, familial, tender, technical support. That's right, like so many geeks around the world, my parents put me to work fixing all the tech that decided to misbehave since my last tech support call. I mean, family gathering. This time, my mom handed me the Acer Aspire I bought her a decade ago and said, "Make it go faster." Now, first I laughed, but that didn't make her happy, and I really didn't want a Filipino mother guilt trip since the last time that happened, I became a priest. And who knows what might happen next. JK, seriously, don't at me, bro. So anyway, I needed to see how impossible the task was, and let's just say that this laptop was on its last legs 5 years ago. It took more than 2 minutes just to be slightly responsive to a browser load. And even then, that old hard drive was panting and clicking like me walking more than 10 steps in my new Kizzix. Product placement. Anywho, I needed parts. And guess what? CES was in town. So I jumped in the Padre Mobile, made my way through the halls of CES, down a few back alleys, knocked on a super secret door, and did a Jesuit mind trick to get me some shiny new Kingston swag. Yep, their newest KC600 1TB SSD upgrade kit and a 1TB USB-C XS2000 SSD just for funsies. After busting up my toolkit, I did some brain surgery on the old Aspire, ripping out the hard drive and replacing it with that sweet 1TB Kingston SSD. After some drive cloning and a little cleanup to remove the 50+ KD photo plugins my mom had installed, the Kingston KC600 had turned her computer into this. A fire-breathing 10th Gen Core i7 Acer Predator Triton 500 with a 300Hz 3ms screen RTX 2080 and a RAID 0 SSD. Just kidding. Upgrades don't do that. We're working on it. But really, I had her system booting and completely responsive in 20 seconds flat. I'm always blown away by how much life you can breathe back into an old system with just a quality SSD. Maybe I shouldn't be. After all, I replaced a hard drive with a 25 megabyte per second read-write speed with an SSD that tops 550 megabytes per second. Yeah, math. That's a lot more. It's like a booster shot, but for performance enough to ward off motherly guilt. And COVID, maybe. Who knows? Maybe just do your own research. Now my mom can surf YouTube and Zoom faster than ever before, so she's happy, and I've got some toys to play with. Till next time, I'm Father Robert Ballasare, the Digital Jesuit. Bye!